In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Keep to Google Calendar so you can manage notes, reminders, and tasks in one place. This is a really helpful workflow if you want to stay organized, keep track of important ideas, and make sure your reminders show up right inside your calendar. If this tutorial helps you, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Google productivity guides. Let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. You can do this by going to calendar.google.com and signing in with the Google account you want to use. Once the calendar loads, take a look at the right side panel. This is where Google keeps some of its built-in productivity tools, and one of them is Google Keep. Now click the Google Keep icon in that right side panel. When you open Keep from Calendar, it helps connect your notes and reminders to your schedule more easily. If you don't see the icon right away, make sure your side panel is expanded and that you're signed into the correct account. Next, create a new note or select an existing Keep note that you want to use with your calendar. This could be a shopping list, a meeting idea, a project reminder, or any note you want to track alongside your schedule. The important part is choosing the note that contains the information you want to stay visible in Calendar. If the note contains a task or reminder, add a date and time to it. This is what tells Google that the note should appear as a scheduled item. You can set it for today, tomorrow, later this week, or any time that works for you. Once you add the date and time, Google can treat it like a reminder that belongs in your calendar view. After that, go back to Google Calendar and find the corresponding reminder or task. It should appear on the date and time you assigned. This is how you confirm that the connection is working properly and that your Keep reminder is syncing into Calendar the way you want. When you click the reminder or task in Calendar, you can view or edit the details. From here, you can change the title, adjust the time, update the date, or make any other edits you need. This makes it easy to refine your schedule without having to recreate everything from scratch. One very important thing to check is whether Google Keep reminders are enabled in your Google account. If reminders are turned off, your Keep items may not appear in Calendar the way you expect. So if something is missing, double-check your Google account settings and make sure reminders are allowed. And that's it. You've now connected Google Keep to Google Calendar and learned how to use notes, reminders, and tasks together for better organization. This is a simple but powerful way to stay on top of your day, and it can save you a lot of time if you like keeping everything in Google's ecosystem. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.